Hello again, welcome to another episode here on Bubble. I'm going to show you how to do this. The plus sign shows the information, minus sign shows the information. Press this one, sorry, you will show the picture or whatsoever. You can put anything in it. This button can come in handy whether you're doing mobile apps or whatsoever. It can be even smaller than this, or it can even be on the right side or whatsoever, or it can be within a box and there is like a plus sign. When you click on it, something happens. Whatever the case might be, go into the edit section. You will see that there is actually two buttons at the same place. So I just put a workflow. When I go to it, the first plus sign, if you can just see quickly, the workflow simply says that when I press that button, this element will show, and also it will show the minus sign and hide the plus sign. So it's very simple to do. Going back to the minus sign as well, if I can go to this workflow, it's just basically saying now it will show the plus sign, hide that element, and then hide the minus sign as well. So it is very simple to do, pretty much straightforward, less than 2 minutes, I believe. If you I have been using Bubble for maybe a couple of weeks or days, you understand. But if you want me to start from scratch, I can gladly do that. So yeah, if you don't want to stick around, it's fine. I'll be making other videos for other things. I will make a video maybe once a day if I can, for any just simple things or small things like this. And then later on, I'm going to build a whole dashboard from scratch with you guys. If you do want to see that, you can just subscribe, put a comment on whatever you want to see, whether you are on the internet and you find something fascinating and you want to know how it's done or how you can do it on Bubble so you can implement it on your app. Please put a comment there. I'll check and see if I'll be able to do it. If not, I'll do some research and then come back to you. Thanks. All right, so basically what you will need to do as advice is just, let's go to the groups. Okay. Yeah, let's put in the groups there. So I will need another group inside. So this is the group which I will need to put in the what I call, I will need to put in the buttons. So it is this particular group. Let's see. Then let's go to icons. There you go. Icon. First icon is this one. Let's go to icon number 2. Yep. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first icon, let's say it's a plus sign. Okay, and the second icon, let's say it's a minus sign. There you go. So let me see. It's 30 by 30. Cool. Yeah, let's arrange them via, oh sorry, let's arrange them via row. Let me just, yeah, it's fine. Arrange them via row. Also this one, let's arrange it via row, and then let me remove the or reduce the height here. Okay, this one also, let's do it column. Thank you. Let me reduce the height. It shouldn't be better. Thank you. Yeah, let me see if I can put some text here. Fine. I'm not going to try to make it fancy and so forth. You do it on your end. And then let's put the second. Let's say you want it to be a text as well. Don't want to do an image. It will just take longer to load. Test. Yeah. So just put something there like a border. Yeah, I'll put a border and also put like a background so that okay. Fine. Green is cool, man. So yeah, basically here it is, man. So one will appear once the other one is not there, and the other one will appear once it's not there. So basically when we load, majority of the time, or in some cases, or most cases, you find already the plus sign is always there to view what's underneath. So let's hide this one. Sorry. This will be hidden when the page load. Let's just click on collapse when hidden on this one, as from the other video. So it's going to collapse when it's hidden. So yeah, basically let me just quickly do a quick test. I'm trying to make this video as fast as I can, so that's why on the first, so yeah, it is, you see the plus sign and that particular thing is there. This is still showing, but also it needs to be hidden when the page is loaded, and then also collapse. Okay. Yeah, it is. But basically, once you do one of these, you can just copy paste for the rest of the apps and whatsoever. So yeah, it is. Let me find this element, get a name, test one. This one is test one as well. And this one is, yeah, I think I'll see the name from the side. So yeah, basically I click on it, the test or the plus sign. I want to go to its workflow. So when I click that one, it should show this, and then also show the minus test, and then it will hide itself. It's good. Where is it? Yeah, it will hide itself. So let's see how it goes. You see, it does happen. It shows, but the minus doesn't have anything as yet, so that's why it's like this. So let's go back and do the one for minus. One for minus. Uh, when it's clicked, it needs to hide now. Minus needs to hide. Okay, hide that element and also hide itself. Where is it? Hide itself. Minus. And then show the plus sign. Test plus. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing too difficult on that. Uh, Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Let's see. Okay. So here it is. We press the plus sign. It hides. But there's something, if you can check here, that um, this particular space is reserved. It's still there even when it's hidden, and it's because of this collapse when hidden is not ticked. Tick it. Yeah, it's fine. Let's try it. Let's see. This collapse, it needs to shrink down to like empty. Let's go. See? Mm, it just looks nice, man. You know, just try by all means to avoid using plugins when you're developing with Bubble. Yes, other things might need plugins, things like graph and charts and whatsoever, if you're building something which has to do with that. But things like this, there is probably a plugin somewhere which does this. But the best thing for you to do is to minimize as much plugins as you can on Bubble, and only use the ones which comes with Bubble, as long as it doesn't have a lot of workflow or a lot of conditional and whatsoever. You have that to the minimum, so that your app won't be too much heavy. Yeah, that's about it, guys. You can check out the next video. Please leave a like or comment about anything. If you don't like the voice, I can try to put the robotic voice there. If you don't like the um, maybe if I'm too fast, I'll try to slow it down for you, or if I'm too slow, I'll try to speed it up for you. Any feedback would be very highly appreciated from you guys. Cheers.